Foxconn uses illegal child labor for Amazon devices. The Guardian, a report by The Guardian, accused Taiwanese electronics contract manufacturing giant Foxconn of using child labor illegally to produce Amazon's Alexa devices. Hundreds of school children, interns, were reportedly made to work night shifts or overtime, which is illegal. Foxconn said that the interns were compensated, adding that it has taken immediate steps to ensure it won't be repeated. Group sex app allegedly exposes White House UK PM offices uses a flaw in group sex app 3fun, found by security researchers, exposed 15 lakh users' data including sexual orientation, chats, private photos and real-time location. Researchers claimed they accessed information of users from the White House and 10 Downing Street, the office of the UK's Prime Minister. Users from CIA headquarters and the US Supreme Court were also allegedly exposed. Huawei reveals Harmony OS as potential alternative to Android. Huawei unveiled its own operating system Harmony OS at its developer conference in Dongguan, China. The Chinese smartphone maker asserted that the software is ready to be deployed at any time if it loses access to Google's Android OS. Google, which was barred from directly carrying out business with Huawei by the US, has temporarily been relieved to do so. Apple may block iPhone features if third-party battery installed. Apple has reportedly added a software lock in iOS to prevent issues caused by third-party battery replacements. A report claimed that in such a case, the device will block certain features like displaying battery health and will also display a service message. Apple will reportedly do the same even if an original battery is put in by a third party.